What's up, guys? Steve here for Car Break NL, getting ready for a couple breaks tonight. We're trying to fill up our 7-box Chase Your Grades mixer. Up first, we're going to do a couple fillers, I guess. 5 spots up for grabs here. We're live. Good luck. It is 9:34, and here's your list. Pat, down to John. 4 randoms, top 3 are winners. 1, 2, 3. Timestamp. Timestamp on 3 is 9:34. 9:34 it is. Last and final, top 3 are Alan in spot 4, Terrence spot 3, Paula spot 9. You guys are all taking home spots. Alan, Terrence 2 each. Paula taking home 1. Fourth and final timestamp says 9:34, and 9:34 it is. So congratulations again, 439. I'll tag you shortly. We'll make your picks, and we'll see you tonight. Good luck.